Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Abhi's Beauty Hack. It's Abhi here. So in today's video, I'm going to give you the honest review of my personal experience over one of the booming products in the Indian market, which is the Himalayas anti-hair fall shampoo. So now you don't think that I have bought the big one of the each product. So I really got it over not even half the price. So really at a cheaper price I got it. So that's why I was in the urge to buy it, and now I regret for my decision. So I'll let you know why. So before going to the video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, just kindly subscribe it to get more video updates on any of the product reviews you want. Okay, now let's get into the video. So to begin with, let's start with the Himalayas anti-hair fall shampoo. This is the 700 ml package of the product, and it is 450 rupees. Of course I bought it over 170 on Nykaa, so really that was the only reason I just purchased the big one, or else I would definitely not. So I was really addicted to their advertisements and I just really wanted to try this, so I just went on to the purchase of this product. So the major ingredients here are Palashna, which is the age old ingredient in the of the Indians, which helps to reduce your hair fall, and Bringraj, which we also know nowadays mostly we are used to these Bringraj oils and all. So they have added Bringraj also as one of the ingredients here. It is also one of the age old herb which is known to promote your hair growth. So these two are the major ingredients, the mixture of both organic and inorganic compounds. So now I don't want to get into chemistry because that is not our subject. So both organic and inorganic, in the sense it is composed of both natural and chemical products, since it contains sulfates and sodium dioxide and other chemicals and all. So this is the tub, that is the pump package of the product and all. So this is not really suitable for your, it is not travel friendly because it is really huge, and if you are in a joint family and if you want to buy shampoo for everyone, then you can use this kind of large ones. So coming to the product, so this product is really cheap and it is within your budget, and everyone can really get your hands onto this product. So now let's see how the product is from within. So this is the consistency of the product and this is the color and all. So now here I have it running because I have only few bits left over, but it is actually quite thick as the normal shampoo should be. So as a shampoo, it removes your hair's dirt, oil and anything else. Of course it does not remove your dandruff, okay, so make a note of that. It removes your dirt and oil from your hair, and it gives you the good fragrance. It is mild, the fragrance is actually mild, but it of course contains artificial fragrance. It is mild and it lathers well, and it is really a good as a shampoo. So now what the product actually does is, since it contains chemicals, this makes your hair really rough, and if you are a person with dry hair, chapter close. Then what it does is it strips off your hair's natural oil. We dry hair people, we don't have, we have very little natural oil in our scalp, and this product really strips off that also, and the natural shine of your hair. So that also goes off when you use this product. It makes your hair dull and really pathetic. You cannot, without using any other products, and only if you are using this shampoo, and if you didn't oil your hair before shampooing, your hair is really under a pathetic condition, guys. So just don't use it that way, okay? So for my hair, if you take this, made my condition really worse. So just in order to stop my hair fall, I went on purchasing these products, but it made my hair fall even worse. Of course this suits oily scalp, but since it contains chemicals, it is not good for your hair as well. For oily hair, it is like, it does not if you have that excess oil flow even without applying oil, so that problem will be really cured if you use this product. But it of course contains chemicals which will damage your scalp in the long run. So again, coming to my side, for me my hair became much more drier than it usually it used to be, and my hair started breaking, and the split ends was my end result. So immediately I just stopped using the product. So as I told you, this might suit oily scalp, but it is not good for oily scalp people also. So this is my, bitter experience about this product. Since this is my personal experience and how I felt about the product is what I'm giving you. Since you should not, if you are a people with oily or dry scalp, you should make decision properly before investing in whatever products you invest. So this is all about your shampoo. So now coming to the conditioner part. So I have tried these ingredients, like I first oiled my scalp really well and applied only the shampoo. Then I oiled my scalp really well and applied both the shampoo and the conditioner all together. Then I didn't oil and I just went shampoo plus the conditioner part, and whatever or whichever method I use, the result was the failure, a total failure for me. So now coming to the conditioner part. So what the product claims is it reduces the hair fall. Really I'm getting, pissed by reading this itself. So anyways, it softens and smoothens your hair. Of course the product, this only, it does what it claims, guys. It really softens and smoothens your hair, because I shouldn't be like completely against the product. So I'm just telling the truth that the conditioner part is really well, but of course it contains chemicals, and the conditioner is what which made my hair, it made my hair rough and split ends and all was the result due to this conditioner only. Since I use shampoo only on the scalp, I use more conditioner on my hair. So my hair ends and my hair, it was completely damaged only by this. Anyways, I'll show you the consistency. And also this is the 100 ml package. You can get this separately even without getting your shampoo or your hair oil as well. This is not a combo and all, but I purchased this as a combo in the online. So if you want to purchase anything separately, you can definitely purchase them. So the price is around 90 rupees for 100 ml. As I told you, it is really cheap and within budget. So this is the consistency of the product. So it is quite quite thick, like the conditioner it actually should be. It really makes your hair soft. As I told you, you will feel the softness and smoothness immediately on applying the product itself. That is, while washing itself you will feel the softness, but on washing your hair off, the smoothness really goes to 30%. The smoothness lessens, and the next day of washing your hair is a savage really. So it will really become unruly, and the hell dryness, I don't know from where it will come. So I couldn't like really express it out. So it is, my hair was really pathetic on using this. So even though what I thought was, since I switched the product immediately, I'm facing these kind of problems. So what I did, I just used this for around 1 month, and my hair fall was really double or triple the times, because of the duration of the product which I have used. So that kind of bad experience I had with this product, and I stopped using this immediately on the end of the 4th week, that is the end of the first month. Everything really goes on well until your follicles or the outer layer of your hair, it becomes really dry on using the product continuously. Also the fragrance of the conditioner is the same as the the shampoo. Okay, so no big difference between the fragrance between the shampoo and the conditioner. Both has typical or same fragrance. Now coming to my favorite part, which is the hair oil part. So this is the 200 ml and it costs 180 rupees in Indian money. So the ingredients are, they have given some ingredients which we really don't know. We have not, that is, we have never come across. Even the medicine people, the biotech people who reads or who creates this, they themselves might not know. But the key ingredients here are Bringraj and Amalki, which is the Amla, Indian gooseberry, which is really a very good ingredient for hair fall. Okay, so they have given how it works. It nourishes your hair roots and it reduces your problems like hair fall and split ends. It moisturizes your scalp and hair, and it prevents dryness and hair damage. So if you have all these problems, please don't buy this product. So let's get it inside. So this is a hair nutrient. This is your hair nutrient which you should never use it, guys. So make sure of it. So this is how the hair oil really looks. You could see how much I have used it. So this product is non-sticky. Okay, it is really non-sticky, and for those who don't like this coconut oil or castor oil to be applied on your hair, the product, this kind of texture really suits them, but not this product. Okay, so if you have hair fall problem, please don't even think about purchasing this hair oil. I swear, guys, I was using normal coconut oil from the South Indian brand, and I just immediately skipped on to this product like recently only. So I stopped using this too, and only I just tried this. My hair fall, it was, oh my god, I have no words to tell. My hair literally started breaking, and my hair lost its essential nutrients as well. So it was really lifeless. And if you have that complete coverage that we used to like really oil our hair before washing with shampoo, right? So if you want to oil your scalp completely, you have to end the bottle fully, because how much ever oil you use, your scalp is not going to get wet, because it is that lightweight. Like, I don't know what they have added in it. So you could see how runny the oil is. I don't believe that hair oil will be so runny like this. So it contains open closed lid, but of course when you pour the product in your hand, the product spills out, so which is not good for traveling as well. So it is really transparent. The product is really transparent and fragrance free. That is, it contains very gentle and mild fragrance, which is really tolerable to the most sensitive skin types as well. Not the shampoo and the conditioner. The oil really contains a very mild fragrance when compared to both. And you can see I only poured very little, and it has just spread very wildly. It has spread all over my palms. So the consistency is runny and fragrance is mild. I cannot like really give even a single star for this product, because it has claimed what and all it has claimed to do, it just does in the reverse way. So that way it really made me irritated, and I literally wanted to throw the product out. So this is my poor or pathetic experience about the products. And I believe some of the viewers who are watching this video might have tried this, and if you have any positive results, kindly comment that also down, because kindly mention your hair type and what the product really does it to you, because I really wanted to know how the product is for others. So guys, for the conclusion part, if you really wanted to save your existing hair, please don't buy this product. Okay, any of these products, guys, because I really am like fed up, and I don't know, I don't have words to speak, because I'm just going on with a hair treatment for like really reconstructing my hair. So that was, it was the front hair, that is the baby hairs we'll have in the front, right? So even that hair like really vanished on using the products. I don't know why. I'm not sure with the reasons and all. So if you want to save your existing hair, please don't buy this particular anti-hair fall shampoo. Not only this, guys, anti-hair fall shampoo or anti-dandruff shampoo. So these products contains 100% chemicals only. So kindly don't purchase anything of these kinds. Okay, we have this Head and Shoulders anti-dandruff shampoo. Of course, it will reduce the dandruff in your hair, but it is not good for your hair at all. Oil your hair with coconut weekly twice, and you will never get dandruff. So you can trust me, you will never get dandruff if you oil your hair with coconut oil twice a week. Yeah, I think I have shared whatever, not shared, I have bluttered out whatever I know about this product. And so more, after seeing this video, if you really wanted to purchase this product, really you can go ahead and purchase it, because this is only my personal experience. I'm not sure how this product will work onto your hair as well. So yeah, we'll all meet in the next video. So if you want me to do any other product reviews, you can surely comment it down, or if you have any doubts regarding the video or regarding the products, you can surely ask me in the comments. I will be happy to reply you. So we'll all meet in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Abhi. Tata.